Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, first I am writing the given data. So the angular acceleration of the body is given as alpha is equal to minus 0.1 omega square. Going further, I know that alpha is equal to d omega by dt, which is equal to minus 0.1 omega square. So I can write the value as d omega by omega square is equal to minus 0.1 dt. Now going forward and just integrating both sides. So I can write integration dw by omega square is equal to minus 0.1 integration dt plus c. Solving it further, I can write minus 1 by omega is equal to minus 0.1 t plus c. Now at boundary condition, so I am just writing the boundary condition. At t is equal to 0, omega is equal to omega naught is equal to 12 radian per second. So solving it further, I can write the value as minus 1 by 12 is equal to 0 plus c. So c is equal to minus 1 by 12. Now I can write minus 1 by omega is equal to minus 0.1 t plus minus 1 by 12. Going ahead and simplifying it further, I get omega is equal to 12 by 1.2 t plus 1. Let it be equation 1. When omega is equal to omega naught by 3 is equal to 4 radian per second, I get the equation as 4 is equal to 12 by 1.2 t plus 1. Solving it further, I can write the value as t is equal to 8 by 4.8, which is equal to 1.667 second. This is the time elapsed. Now going forward and solving it further, from equation 1 we have d theta by dt is equal to 12 by 1.2 t plus 1. So I can write d theta is equal to 12 by 1.2 t plus 1 dt. Going forward and integrating both sides, so I can write integration of d theta is equal to integration of 12 dt by 1.2 t plus 1 plus d. Now solving it further, I get the value as theta is equal to tan ln. I just integrate the upper equation 1.2 t plus 1 plus dt. Now I will use the boundary condition. So when t is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, I can write the upper equation as theta is equal to tan ln 1.2 t plus 1 plus d. It can be further written as 0 is equal to tan ln 0 plus 1 plus d. So d is equal to 0. So I can write as theta is equal to tan ln 1.2 t plus 1. So just putting the value of t as 1.67, I can write the value as theta is equal to tan ln 1.2 multiplication 1.67 plus 1, and on solving I get theta, that is angular displacement, is equal to 11 radian approx.